At this location, they produce the finest confectionaries in a fully automated process. Our installations are used to create and optimize all kinds of small products like brownies, bagels, cupcakes and muffins. We will focus on cooling and freezing storage and how to use a combination of blast chilling and blast freezing to quickly reach the desired temperatures to keep the highest quality. From the raw material cooling, the product is processed and transported to the ovens. When the cupcakes, muffins, brownies and bagels come out of the oven, they need to be blast chilled before further processing, freezing or packing. They are cooled down in the KOMA Noster on plates. This fully automatic blast cooling is capable of handling 15,000 muffins or cupcakes per hour. Another installation that can be used here is the blast chilling tunnel or spiral. Industrial blast chilling is for racks or trolleys with products still on a plate. We therefore use high-speed industrial evaporators with large fin distances. After that, they can be further handled or can be transported directly to the blast freezer. The products are now entering the KOMA twin spiral. Our installations are made to ensure the right temperature and airflow for the quickest freezing time without damaging the products. In our test center, we calculate and determine the perfect conditions to guarantee the best quality. The product will be frozen at approximately -30 degrees Celsius to a core temperature of at least -7 degrees Celsius in 30 to 45 minutes. This is needed to keep the highest quality and longest shelf life for your product. The capacity of the spiral can range from -18 to -38 degrees Celsius and runs with a speed between 30 and 90 minutes freezing time. The products are now below -7 degrees Celsius, ready to be packed and stored. They are now ready to be stored at -22 degrees Celsius in the KOMA storage freezer, handling approximately 250 pallets. The storage freezer is custom-made and specified to your needs. It can contain a lowered ceiling and pressure walls to create the optimum conditions if products are to be stored unpacked. The products can be stored for several months because of the constant temperature, humidity and airflow controlled by the K-Control computer from the cold storage. If connected to the K-Control 24/7 monitoring department of KOMA, we are also keeping an eye out and monitoring your stock. If monitoring registers any deviations, KOMA takes action by remote control, or we will contact you and find the best solution.